quick update. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the Pro camera on the Plus. Shouldn't take me no longer than a couple minutes, but yeah, man, I like the way everything fits on this Plus, man. It go right on here. So this is the camera mount and the camera on the Inductrix Pro. And I think the Pro camera got a little narrower view than the Plus camera. But I'll do all of that once I shoot a video, man. But yeah, I'm gonna button it all up. Let y'all check it out after I put it on here real quick. Take me a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Button it all up for y'all, man. Give y'all a quick look at it. The camera plugged right in with the old camera, so you didn't have to do nothing like that. It bolted straight down. Wasn't no complications, no modifications. Went straight in, man. Direct swap. So can't complain about that, man. You know, just got to get to the flight. Turn it around. See that back piece? Was even able to put the little Pro Lexan cover on the back. You know, all sweet, man. But just got to get to a flight to see if I got to adjust any of the PIDs, because it's going to be a little lighter, you know. So might got to do all that. Do that a little later, man. I just wanted to give y'all a quick visual of how it look with the Pro camera and the Pro camera mount on here. You dig? Other than that, man, get y'all close up like that. Peace and love. Happy flying. Hey, man, enjoy life, man. Every second, man. Don't let nobody else dictate or tell you how to live your life, man. Peace and love.